Hi, if you want to know how to protect your WordPress web page with a password, then you are at the right place. I'm going to teach you how to do that. Just log into your WordPress admin area. Here we go. In the left side of your admin panel, you will find a pages option. Click this option. Here is a list of all the pages in your WordPress website. If you want to change a specific page to password protected, then you have to click this quick edit option. In the quick edit area, you will find a field of password protected. You have to put the password here, like in my case I am putting it Razi, and update. Now if you want to view this page, it's a password protected now. When you will put the password, then you will be able to view this page. The job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.